Now I'm gonna show you how to upgrade your Cobra RX crossbow to have 7 bolts. So in order to make it, you need to have upgrade kit, and first thing to do, you need to remove the magazine. The magazine is out. Be careful, there is a spring inside, so this locker will jump as soon as we push the pin out. So first thing to do, there is a glue in the set. I will not do it right now, but you apply a glue on both sides of this locker and then put it closely here. It should be as much to the front as it's possible, and let it glue. So next thing you need to do, you need to take this replacement locker and replacement spring. Replacement spring you should put into the hole and make sure that spring goes as deep as possible into the hole, and other side of spring needs to go to that hole. So the spring is in its place. Next thing you need to do, you need to match both holes, the hole on the locker and the hole on the magazine, so you'll be able to push through the pin, and make sure that pin actually goes evenly and surface is flat. So now small test that you need to make. This locker needs to go down in the magazine, so you ensure that your dry fire safety is in place, and then you put your magazine back on the crossbow. You take your 5 bolts, and you need to have 2 additional bolts. Now we're gonna load it in. Okay, now when we have all the bolts in place, let's attach extra holder for arrows. Put it on the Picatinny rail on the side you like, from the top down into that hole. Okay, so now you have your bolts here and 7 bolts here, and now it's fully equipped and ready to go shooting.